So in a previous video, I replaced the air intake, as you can see right there, and I had this thing sitting right here, which I believe is actually the PCV valve, and that sucks out gas from the piston, I think. And I completely misconstrued what one of my friends was saying and how to fix this, as he was suggesting basically to remove this, which looks like you could just unscrew it, be quiet phone, and basically put this end, or one of these ends, on the carburetor itself, where that thing is, and then put the air filter right here. That way you have the PCV valve suction, but you also have the air filter working. So today, that's what we're gonna be trying. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just take off the air filter, which is super easy. After you unscrew this, just get a screwdriver to kind of pop it up. And it's very tight, so I might not be able to record it. But like basically you kind of just gotta, there we go. And now it's completely out. So I finally got on there. It took a lot. I had to use a flathead, but it's on there. And I have the right end because this one, of course, is for the air intake, which I had to take off. So now I'm gonna have it, it's basically either gonna be one to the side or it's gonna be like this. It's not gonna be perfect, but what I'm gonna do is just secure this, put a couple zip ties, and then we're gonna reattach this, and we should be all good to go. So now we have the finished part. As you can see, it's not perfect, and I probably honked that one thing down too much, but I didn't want it to come off. And I didn't want that to come off. I will probably eventually replace this with a hose clamp, but that'll work for now. But there fixes the issue, so it's no longer dangling, and I'm able to use my PCV valve right here, because it's supposed to suck in and somehow suck the stuff out. I don't exactly know how it works, but I believe this is correct. So I'll run for a little test drive, see how it goes, and then we'll go back from there. So yeah, I mean, I don't notice a big performance difference. I didn't really expect to, but I believe that should keep it in case there's any, you know, because I think the PCV valve is supposed to get excess gas out of it, or not excess gas, out of like fumes and stuff out of the piston. So this will now prevent it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize what my friend was talking about. Thank you, Brian. Again, special credit to Brian for helping me figure this out, or figure it out really on his own. But I mean, you know, it's not as cool as it was before where that thing was just sitting right there, but now I think it's working, or it'll be working better for the foreseeable future. Well, I hope this video helped you. This has been Duke, signing off.